Hey guys, so here we are on YouTube. We've got the problem with the dislike count not being visible. You can see there we've got 3 million likes. This is the most disliked video on the planet. You can't see the dislike count. It's driving me nuts. I can't decide whether or not I want to watch tutorials because I don't know if they're total garbage or not. So what you do to restore it, this is what it should look like. You should be able to see the likes and the dislike count. Let's see how you can restore it. Go to this website. You've got a whole bunch of browsers. I'm going to choose Firefox. That's my browser. I've already installed the extension. All I've now got to do is to enable it. So let's enable it. You have to install it first if you haven't installed it first. It's got a ton of likes. Let's enable this bad boy. That's enabled it. You can see it there is the downvote button. And let's see if we can reload this now and get it to show what it should show. Gotta give it a second. There you are. You've got the 3 million, you've got the 19 million. 19 million people disliked this video and they decided to hide it. Makes no sense. Okay, so this is how it works. I'll have a link in the description. Let's hope it continues to work for the long term, for the future. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, I don't know, maybe even hit that stupid dislike button now. Whatever, it's up to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.